By the way, my name is Jenny Ann P. Castillo. So I am one of the local tour guide of Calao Eco Tourist Zone. So before we reach up to the cave, we have to climb the 184 steps. Then the cave, it consists of 7 chambers with 5 natural skylights. So inside the cave, we have the 7 rules and regulations must be to followed. We have the first, take nothing but pictures, leave nothing but footprints, kill nothing but time. For addition, add nothing but a love for nature, add nothing but a pleasure of enjoyments, just bring your good memories, and just burn your lot of calories. So that cave is discovered by Franklin Delano Roosevelt in year 1932. Then in year 1935, they proclaimed that cave as a national park. Teresa J. Dupaya, the late governor, whose built the stairs with the chapel in August 27, year 1972. So this time we are now at the town of Peña Blanca. So Peña Blanca is an Spanish word which means the white rock. They call us a white rock because we can find 77 square kilometers of white rock that can be dissolved in water. So Peña Blanca is they call us a caving capital of the Philippines because we can find 378 caves. 128 are the documented, then 44 are the archaeology sites.
Okay, that's all.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
May dagdag pa yan.